Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another Haulmark we just got on the ground. This one is a very pretty two-tone 7x16 Haulmark Transport, which is our upgraded line. This one's in a smooth skin exterior. You've got a charcoal back, polished aluminum stripe, and then that silver front. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours. Of course, you've got a nice polished fender with this unit as well. Extended tongue, giving you guys a good turning radius. Nice tall diamond plate rock art along the front, and you also have a nice rounded V-nose here. Side door does have our added Colorado pack to this unit. So sorry, your side door has the RV lock and cam bar. It's part of the Colorado pack, so you've got double lock protection there. Stabilizer jacks underneath the rear, which is also part of our Colorado pack. This one has side vents in it. Rear ramp door does have the spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. This one also has your 7-foot interior height, which is part of our Colorado pack. And then you also have the amazing Drymax floor, and we've upgraded the walls to Drymax as well as part of the Colorado pack, giving you guys a full water resistant interior on this trailer. This is also on the underneath side of the trailer, so great for longevity purposes. This is a product that's going to last you guys a very long time. You've got one of your side vents back here. The other one's in that top left corner, so this trailer will have a natural cross ventilation to it, which is great if you guys are hauling UTVs or anything with fuel in here. Now you do have a toggle switch, light switch back here, and you also have a load light. So you've got an exterior strip, LED strip load light right there. So you guys will have some nice load light to see what you're doing at night. 4 D-rings, we've got 2 here at the back, 2 more up front. And again, this is a 7x16 plus a V, so this trailer is going to measure 7x18 total length. One-piece aluminum roof with Haulmark. You have 2 overhead LED interior lights, and those are hooked up to the toggle switch right here next to the side door. The back side of this RV lock gives you guys this piece right here, lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And here it is. I will post the price for you guys down in the description below. We also have shipping options available, so if you guys don't live near us, no worries. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. And as always, if you're in the market for a new cargo trailer, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.